Hello and welcome to the web documentary, part 1. I play the part of Hobo Baggins. Now, who is this Hobo Baggins, you may be thinking? Well, he is a very special character. He's the main character. So it's all about him. Now, Hobo Baggins is basically a hobbit, right? Right. He goes on this big adventure with all of his friends, and he has a ring that he carries around, right? In the costume, there's a pocket here, and you'll see it. And it's quite interesting. So I really enjoyed playing that role, and I hope you will enjoy it too, because I think I did an excellent job in this movie, and I know you will.